Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the Power Boost Syska accessories power bank. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, here's our box of Syska. As you can see the box, and so guys, first of all, let me tell you, today is the first day of this year, and so guys, happy new year. It's 2019. I hope I grow, my channel could get these 1,000 subscribers in like 2019, and I hope you will give me 1,000 subscribers. I will also do a giveaway on 1,000 subscribers. It would be a big giveaway. I don't know what would it be, but it's not fully decided yet. We have 750 or 760 subscribers right now. So guys, let's unbox this power bank. Let's turn on the light real quick, and now you can see here is the box, and now let's unbox it real quick. Here is the taping. Now we will open the tapes from in there, and I will take the tape out from here also. Now first see the box. This is the blue color power bank, and here is the model number written, Power Boost. Here you can see, you can read, you can see. Let's see, it's a 10,000 mAh power bank capacity, and two USB ports are in there. So let's unbox it real quick. So guys, let's take it out. So guys, this is the power bank, and let's check out what's more inside the box. Here is our warranty card. I have not filled it, I want to fill it. And here we check out Power Boost 100 manual and user manual, and here is written all capacity 10,000 mAh, 37 watts and dimensions and all. You can see, we keep it aside, and let's check out the power bank. Here is our power bank guys. Here are two USB ports, and it will turn by this button, and you can charge your power bank from here. You can see. So guys, this is the power bank, and let's see. So guys, now let's check this power bank, how to use it. You can see, to charge your power bank, what you have to do is you have to just put this in here, and to charge the another phone you have to put the USB port in here and turn this button on. So guys, you can carry, this is the power bank. So guys, you can carry your power bank anywhere you want. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and happy new year.